Hi everyone! On today's Natural Home with Jennifer, I'm going to be cleaning my master bathroom with all natural cleaning concentrates. I hope this video provides you with lots of cleaning motivation and that you will actually clean along with me. Okay, Grove Collaborative sent me their January promotion, which is their cleaning concentrates, and you know that I love these. I've reviewed these in the past. This time I picked out the lavender and thyme. I used the orange and rosemary before, so this is what they look like, and I love them. They smell like a spa. They're totally natural, very eco-friendly, great for the environment because there's much less packaging. So what I do is I just twist off the top and I just put the concentrate into this reusable glass container, and this is the all-purpose cleaner, and I just fill it with water, and then that is it. I love them, and they're very affordable as well. So this is what I'm going to be using to clean the bathroom today. Naturally, before embarking on any cleaning job, you need your coffee, so I'm just drinking it out of my little glitter mug there. I'm just starting with the windows here, and I'm using the concentrate that is the glass cleaner. I actually had some left over from before, so I'm just using that to wipe down the mirrors. And in this video, I'm also just going to be showing you a few things that I've been meaning to share with you. Just some beauty products and things like that that I've been meaning to share on the channel. This, I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's called Beauté, and this is a serum that I put in my hair when I straighten it, when I blow dry it, and oh my goodness, it gets rid of the frizz. It's really amazing, so I'll leave it linked below. Everything I talk about, I'll leave linked below. This is my husband's side of the vanity in the bathroom, and it gets really messy, so I'm just cleaning it up for him. You know, ever since I started this series, Natural Home with Jennifer, I've just been trying out so many natural cleaning products, and I really love them. I like mixing it up too and switching it, and sometimes I'll use these cleaning concentrates, sometimes I'll just use like the eCourses or clean with water. It just all depends, but today I am using this, and I think because of the light I couldn't quite see the mirror, so I missed a few spots, so I'm just going over that right now as well. Okay, these are actually makeup brush cleansing cloths that I use to clean my brushes every other day after I do my makeup. So I will do my makeup and I will just wipe it on the cloth. And then once every 10 days to 2 weeks, I will just wash my brushes with soap and water. But those wipes work really well for the interim. Okay, here I am at my vanity, and it's usually covered with products that are sent to me, I have to be honest with you. So there was a skincare line that Grove sent to me that I had there. But I'm just wiping it down, and you can see my perfumes and bath oils and everything on that little tray over there. I have that Dovana perfume from Sylvain Delacour. This is the Ben Soap natural deodorant that I've been using in honey grapefruit, and it's just wonderful. I love it. And here I go with the bathtub. Got to get all the dirty linens out of there. So I finally run out of my Ben soap. I need to order more soap bars. But here I'm just using the Grove cleaning concentrate for the tub and tile cleaner. So when I just have a light job to do, the bathtub is not heavily soiled. I just use the cleaning concentrate by itself. If there's more scrubbing I need to do, I could use maybe the Mrs. Meyer's surface scrub. or something like that, but right now all I just need to do is wipe it down really. And now in the shower I'm using the same tub and tile cleaner just for the tiles, and then just the glass cleaner on the shower. Our bathroom is really big, so it actually takes quite a long time to clean. This video actually took all day to shoot because I kept getting interrupted by the kids, but I did eventually get it clean. Okay, now I'm taking my Dyson cordless vacuum, and I love this. I mean, I don't know, have I talked about this before on the channel? I love my Dyson, and it's just so great that you don't have to plug it into the wall, and it's very lightweight. So I just go over the floors with that just to pick up any debris. And now I'm going to use the Method Squirt and Mop for tile floors. So you know I love the almond one for the wood floors, and this one works great for the tile floors. Now I'm just adding the linens back. This is my favorite part. I love this part because I'm almost done. So I'm just putting the bath mats there and just hanging the towels back on the rack. Just have the little cloth in the bath. You make sure the hand towels are fresh. And I'm just taking the odds and ends out of the bathroom, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it provided cleaning motivation for you. I know I love watching cleaning videos myself because I just bring the laptop along with me while I clean. So thank you so much for joining me today on Natural Home with Jennifer. Don't forget to check out Grove Collaborative's January promotion down below. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!